How to start learning Arabic, a complete beginner's guide. Are you curious about learning Arabic but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Arabic is one of the most beautiful, rich, and widely spoken languages in the world, but it can feel overwhelming for beginners. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple, step-by-step guide to help you start learning Arabic with confidence and excitement. 1. Why learn Arabic? Before we jump in, let's ask the big question. Why Arabic? Your reason is your motivation, and motivation is everything in language learning. Here are some great reasons. Arabic is spoken by over 400 million people across more than 20 countries. It's the language of the Quran, so it's very important to Muslims around the world. It's useful in fields like business, media, politics, diplomacy, and travel. The Arabic script is a form of art, truly beautiful to read and write. Arabic culture is full of poetry, music, storytelling, and wisdom. Tip: write down your personal reason for learning Arabic and keep it somewhere visible. You'll need it on tough days. 2. Understand the types of Arabic. One of the first things you'll notice is that Arabic has different forms depending on context and region. Modern Standard Arabic, MSA, the formal version of Arabic, used in books, newspapers, news broadcasts, formal speeches, and education. Understood in all Arabic-speaking countries, but rarely spoken in daily conversations. Dialects. These are the spoken varieties of Arabic used in daily life. They vary a lot between countries and even between cities. Some popular dialects, Egyptian Arabic, very widely understood thanks to TV and cinema. Levantine Arabic, spoken in Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Palestine. Gulf Arabic, spoken in the Gulf region. Maghrebi Arabic, used in North Africa and harder to understand for non-natives. Tip: start with MSA if your goal is to read, write, or understand formal content. Choose a dialect if you want to travel, socialize, or connect with locals. 3. Learn the Arabic alphabet. The Arabic alphabet can seem tricky at first, but it's actually a lot of fun. Arabic has 28 letters. It's written from right to left. Letters connect to each other like cursive writing. Each letter can change its shape depending on its position in a word. Isolated, initial, medial, or final. Tip: practice writing and listening to each letter. Use apps like Write It Arabic or YouTube channels that show you how to write and pronounce the letters. 4. Master Arabic sounds and tashkil, vowel marks. Arabic is very phonetic. What you see is, mostly, what you pronounce. Arabic uses vowel marks called tashkil to guide pronunciation. Short vowels, a, e, I, u. Other marks, sukun, shadda, tanween. These marks are essential for reading Quran and formal Arabic texts. Listen to native Arabic every day, podcasts, Quran, slow news broadcasts. Repeat what you hear and try to copy native pronunciation. 5. Start with common words and phrases. Start building your basic vocabulary with everyday words. Greetings. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Marhaban, hello. Shukran, thank you. Verbs. Akl, to eat. Shurb, to drink. Katub, to write. Nouns, kitab, book, qahwa, coffee, bait, house. Learn 5 words a day and use them in a sentence. For example, Ana uhibbul qahwa tashan, I love coffee. Use flashcards, sticky notes, or apps like Memrise, Drops, or Mondly. 6. Learn basic grammar. You don't have to master Arabic grammar on day 1, but knowing the basics will help. Here's what you should start with. Nominal and verbal sentences. Basic pronouns, masculine versus feminine, singular, dual, and plural. Simple verb forms. Take 1 grammar rule per week and practice with examples in writing and speech. 7. Practice every day. Learning a language is not about perfection. It's about practice and repetition. Here's how to build practice into your daily routine. Talk to yourself in Arabic. Seriously, it helps. Write short diary entries in Arabic. Watch cartoons or children's shows with simple vocabulary. Join a language exchange app like Oh Hello Talk, O Tandem O Speaky. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you use Arabic, the faster you'll improve. 8. Use the right tools. Having the right tools makes all the difference. Here are some top picks. Apps: Duolingo, Arabic Pod 101, Drops, Mondly Arabic. Books: Arabic for Dummies, Alif Ba, Medina Arabic. YouTube channels: Learn Arabic with Maha, Arabic with Sam, Khalila. Study plan: set daily or weekly goals. Consistency is key. How to track your progress in learning Arabic. One of the most important things you should do when learning any language, especially Arabic, is to track your progress regularly. Why? Because sometimes you feel stuck, but when you look back, you'll realize you've actually made amazing progress. 1. Keep your own language log. Create a notebook or a digital file on your phone or laptop where you record your weekly progress. How many new words did you learn? How many sentences did you write by yourself? How many minutes did you spend listening to Arabic? How much time did you spend speaking, even if just to yourself? Simple example, this week. Vocabulary: 20 new words. Writing: 7 sentences. Listening: 45 minutes. Speaking: 10 minutes too. Test yourself weekly. Choose a fixed day each week, like every Friday, and try to translate random words, Arabic, English. Write sentences without help. Read a short paragraph out loud and record yourself. Compare it later. You can use tools like Google Docs or any voice recording app to keep a record and compare week to week. 3. Reflect monthly. At the end of each month, ask yourself, what new things did I really learn? What areas improved? Pronunciation, understanding, writing. What's still challenging? Grammar, building sentences. What's my goal for next month? This keeps your learning focused and goal-oriented. 4. Share your progress with others. Post on Facebook, Twitter, or in a language learning group. I learned 30 new Arabic words this month and wrote my first short paragraph about myself. You'll be surprised how much encouragement you will get, and you might inspire someone else to start learning too. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more Arabic content every week. Leave a positive comment below. Why are you learning Arabic? We'd love to know. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Arabic Learning family.